I'm very excited to share this amazing website with you today. This is a completely foolproof and legitimate website where you can earn extra cash today. Be advised that this method cannot replace a full-time job, but it can bring you over $500 a month and bring smiles to all your bright and beautiful faces. This website that I'll reveal today pays you to do some of the simplest tasks, fill out offers, play games, take surveys, and many more. I mean, how awesome is that? This is literally a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Make sure you watch this video carefully and follow all the steps. If you miss any of the steps, you might not get paid. But don't you worry, your Stacy is right here with her amazing research to guide you all the way. Hey Money Crushers, welcome back. This is Stacy and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. With inflation reaching its all-time high and people losing their jobs, I had to research and find out a way where all my Money Crushers can make money just by sitting at their homes. This amazing website can bring you an additional $500 a month just for doing simple tasks. It's 100% working and requires nothing but a computer or a phone with an internet connection. No experience, investment, or credit card is required. Log in daily and earn some extra cash for you every month. Now, before I move on any further, I want my Money Crushers to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on my future videos. I will be giving away $2,000 in August, so be sure that you are subscribed to the channel. Now sit tight, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy the remainder of the video. This is one of the easiest methods to earn money online. This website I'll show you in a minute pays users to do simple tasks online which require nothing else but a smartphone or a computer. It offers a lot of different methods with which you can earn money online. It also offers different payout options, including gift cards and prizes. The name of the website I'm talking about is squishycash.com. When you first open the website, you can see its homepage. Squishy Cash has over 300,000 active members, and it's been online since 2007. Here you can see that over $350,000 in cash have already been paid out, not including all the gift cards and prizes this amazing website has to offer. It's so easy to earn extra cash with this website. It's just 3 simple steps. Do offers, refer friends, and get paid. It's literally that simple. As you can see here, membership is 100% free. You will get paid to fill out free offers, take surveys, play games, sign up for free sites and free trials, and earn cash back for online shopping. If that sounds good to you, you can also earn passive income. For each friend referred, you get 25% of their earnings, plus $1 per active referral. Payments you request are sent the next day, completely fee-free. You can earn even more if you participate in daily and monthly contests. Eventually, you will earn over $500 a month. Here you can see what is currently happening on the website. Squishy Cash is a partner with some of the biggest companies in the world, like PayPal, Amazon, Target, Apple, Walmart, and many more. I mean, how cool is that? Apart from earning real cash, you can earn gift cards for any of those companies listed here. To start earning money with Squishy Cash, first, you have to register a free account right here. Squishy Cash even gives you a $3 welcome bonus just for signing up. Just enter your email address here and click on the Join button. On the next screen, you need to enter all of your necessary data in these text boxes. Take your time and carefully fill out these necessities, and after you're done, agree to the terms and conditions and click on the Sign Up button. After you successfully register, this page will appear. This is your dashboard. Here you can see your cash and chips balance, and also the number of people referred, and how much money you earned through passive income. You can see that you already earned $3.05 chips. Chips are used to buy various gift cards for companies listed on the homepage of the website. To start earning money with this website, first, hover over the Earn tab right here, and all of these options will pop out. To see all of the offers currently available, click on the All Offers button, and that leads you to this page. This is your offer page. All of the currently available offers will be listed right here. On the left side, you can see what the offers is about and what you need to do in order to get paid. On the right side is the amount of money and chips you will be earning upon offer completion. The first step in completing an offer is to click on the link provided in the offer's name. That will take you to the offers page where you must do what offer requires. Be sure to complete the offer to the very end, and if needed, to use the same email address you used for registration on Squishy Cash, or you might end up unpaid. When you're finally done with completing the offer, The next step is to head back to Squishy Cash and to click on the Submit button. This will send your completed offer on verification to ensure that you successfully and fully completed an offer, so be sure that you completed an offer to the very end. You can also see the Report button here. If any of the offers doesn't work, reporting will grant you a bonus chip, so don't miss out on those if any offer doesn't work. You can also earn bonus money through daily and monthly contests. To see if any are currently available, click on the Contests button. Whenever there's a contest going on, it will appear here, so be sure to check daily. Before I reveal how to withdraw your money, I want you guys to smash the like button and subscribe to Money Crush so you don't miss out on any of my future videos which will change your life. To withdraw your earned money or buy gift cards, hover over the Redeem tab right here. You can either redeem your cash, buy prizes with your chips, or even convert your cash to chips. To redeem cash, click on the Cash button. As you can see here, once you reach $10, which you will earn in no time, you can withdraw your cash to your PayPal account anywhere in the world. If you want to buy prizes with your chips, hover over the Redeem tab and click on the Prizes button. Here you can see a list of available prizes and how many chips you need to redeem those prizes. Once you reach the amount needed, just click on the Request button and that's it. You redeemed your earned prize. This method of making money online is so simple and easy. Anyone can make extra cash with this method today. And this was another quick, simple, and easy way to earn real money online. Thanks for watching. This is Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.